Hello, my name is Maria Rose Chandro, and I'm a senior ERP consultant with CompuData. In this video, I will demonstrate one of the inventory management capabilities within SDMO, specifically receiving stock and movement within a site or warehouse. To start, we will go to the SDMO demo environment. The item I will be using during this demonstration is a stock item with stock management turned on. Within the item, I have it used in this USA Limited site where the standard unit cost is $10. So now I will receive the item into inventory, into my USA Limited site using today's date. The expected cost is based on the standard unit cost set at the item site. The actual cost can be overridden if needed. I will receive it into a doc with the status of quality control. I will anchor that to the line. And save and post. Once the receiving area has determined that the items are good, I will move it into general storage using a stock change. So the initial location is the USA Limited site. My item is stock. Received into the dock in a status of quality control. This is the line I would like to move. I can split this shipment into several lines, different statuses. This demonstration, I will receive all 200 into USA storage with the status of accepted. And once I post, it is now in the general warehouse area.